It's episode 8 of my spring series, and you know it's spring where everything is a beautiful, vibrant green colour. I'm making a lovely spring salad that's vibrant, fresh and light and full of protein, and we're kicking off by making our crunchy, crispy element, which is a seedy cracker. Now these crackers I absolutely love, and they're so simple to make and full of protein. They make a great snack as well. They're so crunchy and delicious. So all we're going to do is whisk up some egg whites with a bit of extra virgin olive oil and some salt until they become just foamy, and then we're adding in some chia seeds, which are quite important because they are going to absorb the water in the egg whites and kind of bind things together as well. And then a bag of mixed seeds, and that's it. Just stir them to combine, and it's as simple as that. Then all that's left to do is to lay them out thinly on a baking sheet and bake them in an oven for half an hour or until they're nice and golden brown all over. Then leave them to cool down, and they're ready to snap into random pieces of crunchy crackers. Then for a bit of extra protein and a creamy element to go with my salad and crackers, I'm making a spicy pea dip, just blitzing up some peas, some green olives, extra virgin olive oil, some of the olive brine, some pickled chili peppers, almonds, and a bit of cream cheese, but you could use vegan cream cheese as well, and just whizzing that up until it's nice and smooth. And that's it, you've got yourself a lovely spicy creamy dip. You could also swap out the peas for broad beans if you've got some. And finally, all that's left to do is make our spring salad. So I'm starting off with some purple sprouting broccoli. You can use tender stem as well, or spring cabbage, just any kind of spring greens, just chopping them up into bite-sized pieces. I've also got some lovely green asparagus, which I'm just going to cut off the woody ends, and then those ones I'm going to have raw, so I'm slicing them super thinly. And then I'm also going to add some lovely lettuces, which are in season. So I'm adding a baby gem, again slicing that thinly so that it's bite-sized, and also going to add some peppery watercress for a little other dimension. I'm just blanching my purple sprouting. If you're using spring cabbage, you can blanch that as well in some nice salted boiling water. And then finally, for a bit of zing and acidity, I'm going to julienne, so cut into thin matchsticks, a half of a green apple. Then for the dressing, super simple French dressing, just Dijon mustard, some whole grain mustards, some lemon juice and some extra virgin olive oil, mixing that up, and then finally adding all of my greens and mixing them in. And it's as simple as that. All that's left to do is plate them all together and enjoy. And that's it, a super simple, vibrant spring salad that's full of protein, vitamins and minerals, and full of textures and flavors. It's got creamy, it's got crunchy, crispy, everything you could want. The full recipe is on my website, which is linked in the description.